Ang poem ni Rizal na The Song of Maria Clara ay isang refleksyon ng love, family, and patriotism ni Rizal na ina-express niya through the eyes of Maria Clara, a beloved character sa isang sikat na novela ni Rizal, which is the No Limit Tangere. Sa opening stanza, Rizal paints a serene picture of the Philippines as a place of warmth and tranquility where the sun shines friendly and life moves gently like a breeze through meadows. Kino-convey ni Rizal dito ang sense of comfort and contentment, highlighting the inherent beauty and peace found in Rizal's homeland, which is ang Pilipinas. Sa pangalawang stanza naman, nilalarawan dito ni Rizal ang intimate moments shared within the family, tulad ng tender bond between mother and child. Rizal evokes emotion of love and nostalgia as he describes the sweet awakening to a mother's loving presence, with kisses and smiles exchanged between them. Itong portrayal of familial warmth underscores the significance of family ties and the nurturing environment of the Filipino home. Sa huling stanza naman ay pinapakita ni Rizal ang notion of sacrifice for one's native land. Rizal constructs the sweetness of dying for one's country with the emptiness of death for those who lack a sense of belonging or love. Pinapakita dito ni Rizal ang pagmamahal and loyalty ng mga Pilipino sa kanilang sinilangang bayan, suggesting that true fulfillment and purpose come from serving and protecting one's country.